Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what would happen if Acorns went out of business. Acorns is a popular investing app that helps people save money automatically. It's a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. But what would happen if Acorns went out of business? What is Acorns? Before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about what Acorns is. Acorns is an app that helps you invest your money automatically. You set up a recurring deposit, and Acorns will automatically invest that money for you. You can choose from a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Acorns also has a number of other features, such as Acorns Roundup. This feature rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Acorns Later. This feature allows you to set aside money for future goals, such as a down payment on a house or a child's college education. Acorns Earn. This feature allows you to earn interest on your cash balance. What would happen if Acorns went out of business? So, what would happen if Acorns went out of business? There are a few things to consider. Your money would be safe. Acorns is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This means that your money is protected up to $500,000 in the event that Acorns goes out of business. You would lose access to the Acorns app. If Acorns went out of business, you would no longer be able to use the app to manage your investments. You would need to find a new investment platform. If Acorns went out of business, you would need to find a new platform to manage your investments. What are the alternatives to Acorns? There are a number of alternatives to Acorns. Here are a few of the most popular options. Robinhood. Robinhood is a commission-free brokerage app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that helps you build a diversified portfolio. Betterment. Betterment is a robo-advisor that offers a similar service to Wealthfront. What should you do if Acorns goes out of business? If Acorns goes out of business, there are a few things you can do. Contact Acorns customer service. Acorns will likely have a plan in place for transferring your money to another platform. Find a new investment platform. If Acorns is unable to transfer your money to another platform, you will need to find a new investment platform. Monitor your investments. Even if you transfer your money to another platform, it's important to monitor your investments to make sure that they are still performing well. Acorns is a great way to start investing, but it's important to be aware of the risks involved. If Acorns were to go out of business, your money would be safe, but you would lose access to the app and would need to find a new investment platform. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.